Hi there, it's Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam Hard Surface Repairs and Bath Resurfacing. And behind me here you can see a large chip in a hard surface. That is quite a chunk. Anyway, I'm going to sort that out. Okay, so this is a close-up of the damage that we're going to sort out here. It's chunk out of a marble door surround, actually. Here we go. Hi there. Well, it's been a busy evening. Basically, I have made the base black colour and this light colour, and carried out the repair, reforming the tile and making good. I've tried to merge the same pattern in, so I'll give you a close-up and you can evaluate yourself. Okay, so here is the door frame. If you remember, there was a big chunk out of it, and it is right in the middle of, it's to the right of that tile that we're looking at here. So yeah, it's kind of, that's where it came out, yeah. So this is the colour I made to match this, and that's the black colour to match the base colour here. And I've formed a similar kind of pattern. This is the original patterns here, so I've kind of tried to make good something that fits in. As usual, there's not much to see. Okay, so this is Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam Hard Surface Repairs and Bath Re-enameling, signing off for the evening.